Greetings there friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and how are you today? If you're feeling less than beautiful, today's meditation will really remind you how beautiful you are. And when you feel your beauty, it's easier for you to see the beauty in other people. It's easier for you to just see the beauty in the world. And it's when we can see the beauty in the world that we're able to work for a more beautiful world, because we feel it in our bodies and we want that reflected in our outer world. So we'll do the work, we'll get up, we'll do what work we have to do to see that external beauty, whatever that means to you, reflected in your outer world. So to do this beautiful you meditation, as usual, I invite you to find your safe space. Somewhere in your environment where you can go and you can be undisturbed. You can just sit quietly with yourself and just receive. Because we spend so much time giving, holding space for others. This practice is for you to receive and just to connect with your inner beauty. So once you've found your safe space, somewhere you feel comfortable, I invite you to just get ready to meditate. And by that I mean maybe you want to get up, sit down. Maybe you want to take something out of the fridge and then come back to your practice. But do what you got to do so that you can actually enter the next part of the meditation practice in a more kind of like ready kind of state. The mind is a bit calmer, the body has eased out any sort of aches or crannies, maybe you've stretched a bit or something. Just, find something so you can settle into the practice. We'll be here for about, I don't know, we'll see how it goes, 2 to 5 minutes, yeah? And then once you're kind of like settled the body, I invite you to become aware of your physical frame and get a sense of your buttocks. If you're sitting down, let your buttocks really settle, ground connect with the chair, the bed, the cushion. And as your buttocks settle, allow the front of your body to lengthen. Open your chest, squeeze the shoulder blades towards each other. Stretch out your fingers, wiggle your toes. And as you lengthen through the front of the body, allow the back of the body to also kind of like lengthen. So you're inviting a sense of length, a sense of ease and trust in your body. And as you start to settle into your chosen posture, take a breath. You may want to close your eyes or keep a soft gaze. And just see if you can take a breath. So breathe in through the nose and to softly breathe out through the mouth. Do 3 more of those soft, mindful breaths in your own time. Each time you do a cycle of breath, just see if you can start to notice how you're breathing. Whether you can feel any kind of movement in the belly, the rib cage, or even the top of the lungs. Just notice, bring your awareness away from the mind, away from all external, and just really start to notice the next 3 rounds of breaths in your own time. as you're noticing what you notice about your breath, I invite you to smile. To remember a time when you were smiling, you were so happy, you saw something, you heard something, you read something, and it made you smile. Can you recall that time? Can you recall what you were wearing, what you were doing, what happened, what made you smile? Maybe your smile extended to your eyes and your eyes started to giggle and laugh. Maybe the smile extended through your whole body and you felt your whole body becoming alive with the energy, the laughter, the gaiety. So recall a time when you were smiling, something, someone made you smile. And as you recall that incident, start to imagine a time when you felt so beautiful. Someone paid you a compliment. I'm paying you a compliment right now. You're beautiful. Notice how that lands in your body. No judging. Just notice how that landed with you and someone paid you a compliment, or when you glanced in the mirror and you said, hey, I'm beautiful. Just notice what happened in your body. What reaction came up? What thoughts? What feelings? Now I want you to stay with this beautiful smile and let the smile, the loving smile, flow from your belly to your chest, to your throat, to your third eye, and out through your crown. Just feel as if your whole body is expanding with this smile. And it's a smile that travels around the whole world. And everyone you meet, everyone you touch is taken back by the radiance of your smile. In fact, they look at you and they say, oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. They love the way your eyes light up. They love the way your body just moves when they see that smile flowing from your heart. And as you see people responding so happily to your smile, it makes you smile even more. And as you smile deeper and deeper into your heart, your beauty flows. So not only are you smiling, you're smiling through the eyes of beauty. You're smiling through the eyes of love, through the soul of gratitude for being the beautiful being that you are. And you're happy. You feel so grounded in your body. You feel so confident in your beauty. You feel so sure, so strong, so steady in your faith, in your commitment to affect change through the work that you do. And as you really anchor into this beauty, this strength, this love of being you, the smile, the beauty of you, you breathe. And as you take that glorious full breath in and out, the smile just lingers around your heart. It softens your eyes, it softens your jaw. And the smile just travels back through your body. And as the smile travels back through your body, you feel fortified. You know that your inner beauty, your inner calm, your inner strength, your inner glory is what is keeping you steady. And from that place of steadfast inner beauty, steadfast smiles and calm, you can go out into the world. You can take the knocks because they bounce off. Your inner beauty, your inner smile, your inner strength is intact. And you're just beautiful. You're just so gorgeous. You are so wonderful. You're confident, you stand strong like a mountain, you flow through life like a river, and it's as if the world sets apart. Everything you touch, everyone you speak to, they feel the power of your love. They're mesmerized by your beauty, and they acknowledge your power. And they say yes. They listen to you. They hear your words. They recognize your power and your strength. And that makes you smile even more. Because you're touching lives. You're making a difference. Your smile, your beauty, your strength, your commitment to change, to do the work is what shines through. Your selfless love of self. Your compassionate nature. Your gentle way of moving through the world, touching hearts, making a difference, leaving no stone unturned as you fight for justice. And you're doing it in your own way. In your own beautiful, sweet way, you're making a difference. You're touching hearts, you're walking through the corridors of power, you're knocking on the doors, and all the while you're strong. The rivers part, you walk through. The strength of your belief, your beauty, your inner well-being is intact. You, my friend, are beautiful. You're loving, you're strong, you're forthright, and you stand. You're standing for justice. You're standing for beauty. You're standing for peace. And from this position of power, inner beauty and strength, you overcome the obstacles. You take the next step. You tune in. You listen to your body. And you rest. You rest because you know that's the best way to let your beautiful, heartfelt smile shine through the world. So just spend a few more moments sitting in your power. A few more moments just really grounding, anchoring your inner power to your strength and your beauty. Feel your body soften. Feel the heart rate slow down as you ground the energy, the beauty of you. In a few moments, I'm going to invite you to close the practice, to seal the practice. Not yet. Still be steady, still be smiling, enjoying your beauty, enjoying your grace. Well done. Oh, well done. And then just gradually say thank you to your heart, to your beautiful smile. Notice your fingers, your hands, your palms resting on the part of your body. Softly open and extend your fingers, wiggle them softly and gently. Bring your palms together in front of your heart center, create space between each digit, and just lower your head to your heart. Letting the breath flow softly and gently in and out as you give thanks. And in your own special way, I invite you to say a few words of encouragement to yourself. A few words that your future self will say to you today. Listen carefully, note what they say. Well done. Well done. Well done, dear friends. Well done. And then I invite you to cross your hands. So you've got the right hand on the left shoulder and the left hand on the right shoulder. And just stroke down your arms. Do that a couple of times. Self-soothe, stroke down your arms. And then come back to that cross position. Self-hug. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. And then before you get up and re-engage with the rest of your day, take a moment just to notice what you notice. Notice your surroundings, no judgment, just notice, be a witness, an observer, and make a commitment. Make a commitment that from this breath, you will always take time to smile, to reconnect with your beauty, your strength, to remind yourself that you're beautiful, you belong, and you are here. Well done. Take care. Thank you. Peace. 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 Take care, and if you enjoyed this video, this meditation, this beautiful smile, beautiful you meditation, please think about your circle of friends, family, loved ones, co-workers. Think about someone who you feel needs reminding of their inner beauty, and just send them this video. And that's your simple act of loving kindness and strength today. Namaste and thank you.